You missed one again. Just shot this one on the neighbor's land. I got permission to hunt them. See all the muscles, and I got a good shot on her. As you can see right behind the eye, and then right there too. So I got her good. It's one of them big old birds that you don't, that annoy you, like at a baseball field or something. They lay their nests on the ground. See her wingspan. Pretty big wingspan. And that's just another one for the old grizzly. That's the fourth one today. The other three I already gotten rid of, so that's my fourth one. Thanks.